What you are looking at isn't just a dead rock, isn't a world that we removed from our lives, erased from the memory of generations, but a heartbreaking story that resembles not giving up. A world that no one believed in, but kept going anyway. A living sign of hope. Welcome to Pluto. To understand this amazing planet, we need to talk about where it lives. Pluto lives in exile, in the Kuiper Belt, which is a graveyard beyond Neptune, where the leftover pieces of the solar system orbit. Out there, the sun isn't a bright shining star, but just a white dot, just like any other distant star in the universe. So what does it look like from Pluto's surface? If you stood on it at noon, the sky above you would be black, and the sun, the thing that gives life to everything we know, would look small enough to cover with your finger, just like what Pluto was to us, a tiny blur at the edge of the telescope, a dot that we always assumed was dead. Then New Horizons arrived in 2015, after almost a decade of traveling through the void, faster than any spacecraft had ever launched from Earth. It reached Pluto, and for the first time, the dot became a world. What we saw was shockingly beautiful. Across Pluto's surface was a giant shape, shining in the darkness like a scar and a symbol at the same time. A heart, a perfect frozen heart, stretched across the face of the planet we forgot. But what it actually is a massive glacier, a frozen sea that anyone would assume that it's dead billions of years ago. But it's not. It moves. The ice inside Pluto's hut slowly shifts and flows. The surface is so young in places that craters have been erased. Think of it as if Pluto is quietly rebuilding its own scars. Just think about that. At the edge of the solar system, where the sun is weak and the temperature is hundreds of degrees below freezing, there's a heart that still beats, not once every second, but across millions of years. Too slow for us to hear, but powerful enough to send a message.